Guys, welcome to Tank Talks this morning. We are here on vacation still. Let's see, it's Monday, July 14th. And yeah, we're off-site on vacation as the cryptocurrency market pumps. Quick go to full. And let's make sure that our audio is coming in here. Hang on, guys. I'm going to make sure that our audio is coming in. Would you tell me in the comments here if you are getting the audio? Let's see. I'm going to, hang on, let me pull us up here and make sure that we are getting the audio. Yeah, we have audio. Okay, good. Making sure we have audio. We have audio. Okay. For some reason, hang on, let me pull us up here. The wife tells me that we don't have audio on hers, and I don't know why it always does that for her. But anyway, we are back on, and we are looking good. Let's see. Let's go back. Hold on. Audio. MacBook Pro. Okay. We should be back on now with our audio. Yep, we should be back on. Okay. To do our audio keeps cutting out. I don't know why it's doing this. It won't stay on. And hope that it reconnected. MacBook Pro. Our audio keeps cutting out. Okay. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know why it's doing that. Every time we go to share screen, it cuts the audio. Pretty sure that's what's happening. Why don't we not share the screen anymore? And make sure that we're back on again, of course. I do believe that we are. Yep. Okay, guys. I think we're back on. Boy, I don't know why. Continues to do that. I'm going to leave my test channel up for myself so I can hear. It's a little confusing, though. So, right now, Bitcoin is cranking, as we just saw. So is Ethereum, and so is the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Explosions are rally driven by basically a mix of regulatory the whole week, what's been going on with regulations in Washington, being pro. U.S. House debating 3 pro-crypto bills, Clarity Act, Genius Act, Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act, thank you, oh my goodness, aimed at clarity around stablecoins, oversight, and banning central bank digital currencies, which nobody likes. The tone of Congress is pro-crypto, as we well know, which is huge for us. It's marking a turning point, of course, after choke point 2.0, which we dealt with that for so long. Years of legal uncertainty in the crypto space. Here we are, turning a corner. It's a huge move here. Institutional money starts to pour in now. This is what we're seeing now, literally right now, literally last night while we were sleeping here in the U.S. About 2 in the morning, the cryptocurrency market cranked. Bitcoin being Big Daddy leading the way. But we also have the tone in Congress being pro-crypto now as well, marking a turning point after years of, more than just choke point 2.0. Institutional money makes all the difference in the world, as our second point. Our third point's macro climate, which is huge right now. Expectations of Fed's cutting the rates. I think Fed is going to cut the rates coming up here, and I think we're going to see a massive inflow, a massive printing of money, right? A massive QE experience where a ton of cash, a ton of dollars is injected into the U.S. economy, making it heyday for risk-on assets. M2 money supply going wacky, up. Okay, all that when M2 money cranks up, which we have seen over the past weeks and months. That's why we're experiencing this now, in the eyes of big boy investors. There is no risk. There's no risk. Buy all. They buy all the risk-on assets. Yeah, this technical momentum as a fourth point here, guys. Bitcoin's dominance is still high, of course, as we see 64% for Bitcoin dominance. But there's some shifts to suggest that altcoins are gonna moon soon. Never financial advice on the channel, by the way. Don't forget to tap that like and subscribe and the Caleb link down below. But yeah, we're not financial advisors. We're here to educate and inform. The big token unlocks are expected mid-July, basically. We could see, I'm saying by, I don't know, I don't want to call. I've called it already. I said it was going to start, and so did the rest of us. It wasn't very difficult to see, that this was coming, and we haven't seen the end of this. Let's just see what happens here this week. See how high Bitcoin can shoot, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin pulling all boats with it. Here's what I'm looking for today, U.S. inflation data. Coming Tuesday, how to report could delay rate cut expectations. We're just going to have to see. If not, we could see a pull. We could see rate cuts here. Indication. Otherwise, we could see a pullback. Congressional votes is another thing I'm looking at. Any breakthroughs or delays on clarity, Genius, anti-CBDC bills is going to reverberate across the crypto space and cause uncertainty in the market. And we all know what happens when we get uncertainty in the market. The market does not like uncertainty, and it takes a little dip. Token unlock events I'm also looking at. Unlocks in projects like Arbitrum and also ApeCoin may create short-term volatility here. So we could see reasons for market correction, of course, fundamental-wise. That's what I'm looking for. And why now? Of course, everybody's asking, like, why is crypto cranking now? Like it's pretty clear, and between regulatory clarity, government endorsement, risk on assets cranking up because with the promise of more QE, and inflation shocks, geopolitical shocks, legislative surprises. These are risks that we're going to have to continue to keep our eyes on. Bottom line is Bitcoin's outperforming any other major asset on the planet, and it's been doing so for years. Institutional inflows, legislative tailwinds, macro volatility, all of these things. Ethereum's following suit as we thought she would, not in a huge way. Altcoins look like they're following suit a little early, usually taking a little bit. They're cranking immediately, not waiting for Bitcoin to dump its money into the altcoins. So let's watch today's Congress and inflation data for today. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's see what the tone sets forth for this week. And, we're not doing a long one this morning because we're on vacation, but I wanted to get to you guys and on the live, keep up with what we see as what's important for current events, including covering the market. So thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to tap our Caleb link below. I'm hesitant to tap the share screen again and get to some Caleb link and things because I think it's going to knock my sound out again. So we'll leave the audio going, and we will bid you a fond farewell, of course, until tomorrow morning. Early time. Tap that like and subscribe if you like what we're putting out, and thank you for the crypto market pumping. And Marnie, thank you for letting us know about the audio in there. We appreciate you very much. One of our top fans, Marnie. And to those of you who are watching, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Today being Tuesday, enjoy your day today. I hope it's sunny wherever you are. Crypto info, blockchain made easy with the tank. Love you guys.